So you see that up there? I don't know if you can see it very well. That there, palm trees. This here is all the Crosstown Bridge. The idea for this 6-lane bridge started in 1980 and involved a federal court battle between city officials and environmentalists who opposed the route of the bridge. The bridge cost $91 million to build. They're mowing the grass. It's always wonderful when you're trying to film video and they're running mowers in the background. I love that. And this over here is the St. Lucie River. Look at those guys. So this waterway goes all the way into the Savannas Preserve, and it goes past River Park, where I've taken you many times before and flown the drone. I think we're gonna fly the drone again today. We're gonna do a Help Me Find My Best Drone Shot. This is always one of my favorite series to make because it gives me something to do with my drone footage, and flying the drone is one of the things that I really love to do. It's my hobby. I guess you could say it's even like a passion. These videos give that passion a purpose, something I can do with my footage, and I hope you enjoy them too. So here's how it works. I'm gonna launch the drone. I'm gonna get 3 shots in this waterway. I want you to pick your favorite shot and vote for that shot in the comments. Now, I do spotlight some of the comments in the next Help Me Find My Best Drone Shot video, so if you make a comment, you might get spotlighted. Before we get started though, let's take a look at the last Help Me Find My Best Drone Shot video and see what shot won. Sophia's passion for cooking voted for shot number 1. Healthy Living with Chris Galt voted for shot 2. And shot 3 was Melly Playful's favorite shot and the shot that won this week. Thank you for everyone that voted and made a comment. The water is really brackish brown. It's not because it's polluted or anything, it's just that this waterway leads out into the ocean, and when the salt water, when the salt water mixes with fresh water, it kind of turns this brackish brown color. And I was looking around because sometimes you can find alligators around here. There are alligators in this waterway, although I don't see any right now. So I guess what we need to do now is launch this drone and get this week's shots. All right, so those were the 3 shots. I hope you found one that you liked. If you did, please vote for that shot in the comments. And if you notice that I have a different colored shirt on now, make a comment about that too. I'm Scott, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.
Ciao.